lovelies, welcome back to my channel. In today's video I did this pastel blue full cut crease eye makeup look, and personally I really enjoyed it a lot doing this particular makeup look. I really wanted to do a pastel blue kind of an eye makeup look, and here's the video for it. Since this is an eye makeup look, so I would be skipping the base and the contouring and the concealing and all such part, and would be concentrating only on the eye makeup look. I really hope you guys like this look, and if you are new to my channel, then please do take a moment to hit the subscribe button and also press the bell icon. This would mean absolutely everything to me. So thank you so much for watching this video, and without any further ado, let's get started.
For priming my eyes, I would be taking this Pack Take Cover Concealer in the shade Stark Nude, and with the help of a concealer brush, I would be applying it carefully under my brows in order to conceal any of the stray hair, and then I would be applying it all over the lid so as to prime it for the eyeshadow. I would be using the same brush to blend the concealer all over my lids. For setting the concealer, I would be taking this Flower Beauty Light Illusion Powder, and I would be applying it with the help of a concealer brush. For the eyeshadow palette today, I am using this Colorpop on Cloud Blue 9 Pan palette. And look at the colors, they're so beautiful. I really love the pastel shades and shimmers. First, I would be taking the shade Ice Baby, and with the help of a fluffy blending brush, and I would be applying it a bit above the crease area, and this would be my transition shade. And I understand that pastel shades do not look that much of an intense on my skin tone, so I have to apply them over and over again in order to get the desired intensity of that particular color on my skin. Next, I would be taking the shade called Plain, and I would be applying it over the previous shade and blending both the shades together in order to darken up the crease a bit more. As you can see, I'm blending both the shades together, and I'm taking little by little of the eyeshadow and intensifying it further. Next, I would be taking the shade called Love Poem, and with the help of a pointed blending brush, I would be applying it over the previous shades and would be further darkening up the crease. I really wanted pastel shades to be applied on the crease area, and also at the same time I wanted the area to be really dark. This would help me ensure a nice contrast between the crease and the lid where I'm going to apply the shimmers next. As you can see, I am taking bit by bit of the pigment and applying it on the crease, and then blending all these three shades together in order to get the desired intensity of the crease color. I also want the blending to be nice and seamless, and I really do not want any kind of harsh lines to be there. Next, I would be applying the concealer on the concealer brush, and I would be applying a good amount of the concealer very close to the eyelashes, and then I would be looking upwards and rolling my eyeballs so that I can get a weak outline of where I would be cutting my crease. Since I have hooded eyes, so the area where I would be cutting my crease is a bit higher up than my actual crease area. I would be taking the outline towards the end since it's a full cut crease, and next I would be filling up the area beneath the outline with the help of a concealer so that I get a clean canvas where I can apply my shimmers. I would be setting the concealer with the help of the same Flower Beauty Light Illusion Powder, and here I'm using a fluffy brush to set the concealer. Next, I would be taking this shimmery shade called Clearer Skies, and just see my reaction when I applied the shimmer on my eyes. Oh my god, this shimmer is just insane. It's just so beautiful. I did not even wet my brush with the setting spray, but this shimmer got picked up so nicely, and I was just so happy applying the shimmer. So I would be applying it all over the area where I've already cut my crease. Next, I would be taking up the shades Playing and Love Poem together on a pencil brush, and I would be further deepening up my crease a bit because I wanted to increase the contrast between the transition shade and the shimmer. Next, I am outlining the area where I've cut the crease with the help of a white eyeliner. This is from Voste. I'm so sorry I could not show it on camera. This was very out of my comfort zone. It was a tad bit difficult for me to do because I do have shaky hands, but nevertheless, it turned out to be satisfactory for me. I really need to improvise on that. And for the price point of this eyeliner, it's pretty good. The eyeliner is a bit watery, but once it dries up, it sets pretty well. Next, I would be taking the shade called Love Poem, and I would be deepening up the outer corners of my lower lid. I'd be taking this shade called Airtime. It's a nice shimmery shade, and I would be going very close to the lower lash line. And finally, I would be taking a combination of the shades Ice BB and Playing, and would be blending all the shades in the entire lower lid space area. For eyeliner, I'm taking this Lakme Absolute eyeliner, and initially I would be carving out a wing on the outer corners of my eyes, and then I would be making a line very close to the lashes on the upper eyelid. Next, I would be taking this shade called Delight. With a pencil brush, I would be highlighting the inner corners of my eyes. For highlighting my brow bone, I'm taking this Wet n Wild highlighter, and using a pencil brush, I'm doing that. For mascara, I'm using this Essence Lash Princess Mascara, and I would be coating both my upper and lower lashes. And finally, I'm topping it up with the falsies behind the camera. And this is the final look.
I really hope you guys enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, then please do give me a big thumbs up. I will be back again with a brand new video. Till then, stay happy, stay safe, and bye bye. I love you all.